Hey guys, I'm Emily Powers, and in this video I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the fan brush, different techniques you can use with them, and then show you a clip from one of my videos showing you how you can use it in a real painting. So this is the bristle fan in the Select Princeton Select series. So I just laid out some green here to show you how to use it. So this is really good for like grass and fur texture and stuff. So I'm just kind of thinning it out a little bit. You don't want it super watery, but you want to be able to flick with it. And you can just kind of make grass. You can see I kind of added too much there, but you can see how it looks like grass, and doing different colors will make it look a little more 3D. And you can also kind of do long strokes, and you know, you can put it in different directions for like fur or whatever. Used it for fur on my fox that I did. And you can also splatter with it. So if you thin it out real good, so this is like milk consistency. See, there you go. You can kind of make dots, and so this would be good for stars or just kind of adding some interesting splatter effects there. So I'm going to show you a clip from one of my painting tutorials so that you can see how to use this brush in a real painting. Okay, so now we're going to do the stars, and I'm going to take my fan brush. It's a bristle fan, and I'm going to wet it, take some of my whites over here, and you want a lot of water. So you want it to be like milk consistency. It's got to be really thin, or else it won't come off your fan brush very well. And like I said, you could take your old toothbrush and load it on the end and kind of spray if you wanted to. Sorry if you heard that growl, that was my dog. She likes to kind of make herself heard while I'm doing the videos, so. Okay, so that should be pretty good. So I'm going to test it. I'm going to hold it firm with this hand and tap. Okay, so this is, when I first learned this, I was like super amazed at how this works. I was like, you would think, you know, if you've never heard of anyone doing this before, you would think that you would just kind of do each one individually, but this is like so much better and faster. Okay, so now I'm going to water it down a little more. Try to get some bigger drops if I can, because the thinner the paint, the bigger the drops will be. Okay, I'll see how that does. To get some bigger ones. And don't worry about getting too many stars in there. You just can't have too many. And don't be afraid to go over the black some, because we don't want it to be like a halo around the hill there. All right, I like it. It's really bright and, well, it's dark, but it's colorful and starry, and I like it. And that part is like probably the most fun part, I would say. And it's so short. It's like you wish that it would be longer. Okay, so I'm gonna get that fan brush again, and get my black and kind of thin it out a little bit. Not nearly as thinned out as what we just did, just enough that we can kind of flick some grass in here. So we do a little bit, and it doesn't need a whole lot, just a little bit, and you can kind of put it in different directions so it doesn't look so perfect. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I also thought I would say that the bristle fan, I like it because I feel like it snaps back better for the grass and texture like that for fur and things. So I have this other one, but I don't use it a whole lot. It's just a lot floppier since it's not a bristle brush. So I really like the bristle for the fan brushes. So that, I don't know, some people might prefer the softer bristles, but that's just up to what you prefer. So I hope you enjoyed this. If it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I put out a new video every Friday. And thanks for watching. Bye.